Hi everybody, welcome back again to your channel Simple and Easy English. In this video we are going to learn have or has. So we use have or has to show possession or something belongs to you. Okay, let's start. I have. So when we are talking about you or me, we say I have. It means me or you. He has. But if something belongs to a boy or a man, we say he has. He has. And when it comes to a girl or a woman, we say she has. She has. But when we are talking about an object or an animal, in this case we use it. It has. It has. Like the dog has food. And for you, we use you have. But for me, for us, and some other people, we use we have. We have. Next, and for some other people, we use they have. They have. This is really very easy and simple. You have just to remember. So let's practice with some pictures. As you can see, we have in these pictures a rabbit and a carrot. So automatically we use it because it is used for an animal. The rabbit has a carrot. We replace the rabbit with it has a carrot, or the rabbit has a carrot. And the second example, we have in the first picture some ants, and the other one we have an apple. So we can say the ants have an apple. The ants have an apple, which means the ants will be replaced by they, so they have an apple. And now let's practice with some more examples. The girl long hair. the girl, as we have said, will be replaced by she. She used for a woman or a girl. So she has, or the girl has long hair. The next example, the boys, caps. The boys, as we have said, some other people. For this example we use have, because the boys can be replaced by they. They have caps, which means the boys have caps. The next one, I, a friend. I, it means something which belongs to me, something which I possess. Simply we use I have. I have a friend. Next one, he, an umbrella. He will be replaced in this example by a man or a boy. So a man or a boy has an umbrella. The result is he has an umbrella. And the next one, the dog. And we said that the dog is an animal, and for animal we use it. It has a bone, so the dog has a bone. In this example we have my mother and I. It means me and some other people. It means we have a car. So the result is my mother and I have a car. At the end, I hope you understand how to use have or has. If you like the video, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.